Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to turn off vibrant visuals in Minecraft. Okay, this is for Xbox, PS5, mobile, Windows, or even Switch. So let's say, for example, you are under a world or you're currently playing a game. So when you play a game, you won't be able to change the settings for vibrant visuals. Okay, all you have to do is just go out to the main menu. For example, this is the game. Press escape, settings right here. And when you go ahead over to video right here in the left panel, vibrant visuals is what? Grayed out, or you can't click it. Now we have this setting as well, in-game graphics mode switching. You can go on and enable this one, okay, if you have a powerful device. So exit out of the game, save and quit. And then go ahead and go back to the main menu, click on settings right here, scroll down, find video. And here we have vibrant visuals. Okay. So to turn it off, make sure that you either select simple or fancy right here. And if you want to enable this one, well, you can go ahead and do so. All right. And then once that's done, go back, play, open up the world, wait for it to load. And after that, you should be good to go. And that is how you turn off vibrant visuals in Minecraft. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.